Hello everyone. So we'll continue our chapter 20 from geography, and our today's topic is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. All the water bodies on the earth's surface like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, together with snow and ice are collectively called the hydrosphere. In all the planets, it is only the earth which has hydrosphere, means the water. That is why the earth is known as the watery planet, because it is the only planet of the solar system which contains a huge quantity of water. About 97% of the total water of the globe is found in the ocean, and the rest 3% consists of the water of the lakes, rivers, and the water obtained from snow and ice. About 2/3 of the earth's surface is covered by water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers. Oceans. Oceans are large water bodies separated by continents. There are 4 oceans on the earth: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. So first we'll start with the Pacific Ocean. It separates Asia and Australia from North America. It is the largest of all the oceans. It is not only the largest but also the deepest of all the oceans. Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest place in the world. Which is the deepest place? That is the Mariana Trench. Second is the Atlantic Ocean. It is called as the busiest ocean also. Deepest ocean is the Pacific and busiest ocean is the Atlantic Ocean. It separates Europe and Africa from the North and South Americas. It is the busiest ocean in the world as all the important sea routes pass through the Atlantic Ocean. There are many important harbors on its coastline. Children, harbors means a port for ship. Shelter it is. Shelter for the ships. Third is the Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean named after a country, is that India. It lies to the south of India, west of Indonesia and Australia, and east of Africa. So, these are the 4 oceans. These are the 4 oceans. Fourth one is the Arctic Ocean. It surrounds the North Pole and lies within the Arctic Circle. A narrow stretch of water called Bering Strait connects it with the Pacific Ocean. It is bound by Russia, Greenland, Canada, and Alaska. So these are the 4 oceans of the world: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Now, what do you mean by hydrosphere? What is hydrosphere? The domain of the earth containing the water collectively. That is the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. That means the water. Now our next topic is the importance of hydrosphere. And what do you mean by hydrosphere? So what do you mean by hydrosphere? The domain of the earth containing the water collectively. That is hydrosphere. Now its importance. The presence of large quantities of water in the oceans is responsible for moderating the temperature. Second is, the ocean currents often keep the hot countries quite cool and the cold countries quite warm. In this way, they have a moderating influence on the climate of various countries. Third is, oceans provide abundant water vapor to the atmosphere, which results in rain on the plains. Next, oceans help in maritime activities and promote trade. And the last is oceans provide an important source of food for mankind. So there are three main points in the importance of hydrosphere. It is responsible for moderating the temperature. It helps in maritime activities. It helps in promote trade. Even they are the source of food for mankind also. So these are the two topics. What do you mean by hydrosphere and what is the importance of hydrosphere? Now children, today's homework. We'll start with the one-word answers. First is the deepest place in the world, that is the Mariana Trench. Second, the busiest ocean of the world, that is the Atlantic Ocean. Third, which ocean separates Asia and Australia from North America? That ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Now question number 2 and 3 you will get in the PDF file. Question number 2 is, what do you mean by hydrosphere? This is question number 2. The domain of the earth containing the water collectively, that is hydrosphere. Question number 3 is, what is the importance of hydrosphere? First is responsible for moderating the temperature. It helps in maritime activities and promote trade also. Third is, it is the source of food for mankind. So children, today we have done the topic hydrosphere, and in hydrosphere I had explained you all the 4 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. After that, what do you mean by hydrosphere we have done. Then the importance of hydrosphere, that also we have completed today, and the one-word answers based on these topics. So that's all for today. Bye-bye.